Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The nurse is caring for a patient with Raynaud disease who is employed as a construction worker, has hypertension, and smokes 1/2 to 1 pack of cigarettes per day. What teaching points should the nurse include in discharge instructions? Select all that apply. A. Drink plenty of warm beverages such as coffee. B. Wear gloves when handling cold items. C. Attend a smoking cessation program. D. Wear insulated socks when working in cool weather. E. Use a heating pad to stay warm. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.